In the world of biotech, rumors can spark major market moves, sometimes even before any official announcement is made. That's exactly what happened with the recent buzz swirling around French biotech company ABVX and pharmaceutical powerhouse Eli Lilly. Headlines and online chatter suggested Eli Lilly might be preparing to buy ABVX, sending shockwaves through the industry and putting ABVX in the global spotlight almost overnight. The excitement centers on a potential new drug from ABVX, one that could transform treatment for chronic diseases and potentially impact millions of lives worldwide. When a company with Eli Lilly's reputation is involved, everyone pays attention, from investors tracking every move, to doctors eager for new treatment options, to analysts speculating on what's next. The speculation made ABVX the talk of trading floors, medical circles, and even social media, as people wondered what this could mean for the future of medicine. At the heart of the story is a promising new therapy, something much bigger than just a stock ticker or a business deal. The possibility of a takeover signals that ABVX's research could be on the verge of a major breakthrough, attracting attention from some of the biggest players in the industry. But as rumors swirled and speculation grew, ABVX's CEO, Marc Garidel, stepped in to address the situation directly, hoping to provide clarity. He aimed to calm speculation, reassure stakeholders, and refocus everyone's attention on what matters most: the company's mission of developing their groundbreaking new medicine. This is the classic story of a small innovator navigating the high-stakes, high-pressure world of big pharma, where every rumor, every breakthrough, and every decision can change the game. So, who is ABVX? They're a French biotech team focused on developing new medicines for chronic inflammatory diseases. Unlike pharma giants, ABVX zeroes in on modulating the immune system to treat these tough conditions. Their approach, calm an overactive immune response without leaving patients vulnerable to infections. Their main hope lies in a single standout drug candidate. This focus is typical for biotech firms: become experts in one area and aim for a breakthrough. For ABVX, that area is inflammatory disease, where current treatments often fall short. Their work could offer new hope to patients who need better options. That's what's driving all the recent takeover buzz. The drug at the center of it all is Obefazimod, a name that's quickly becoming familiar in the world of medical innovation. It's ABVX's lead candidate for treating inflammatory bowel disease, or IBD, a group of conditions that desperately need better solutions. IBD includes ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease, chronic illnesses that cause severe pain, digestive issues, and can make daily life a struggle for millions worldwide. Unlike older treatments, Obefazimod works differently, targeting the root causes of inflammation in a novel and highly specific way. In July 2025, ABVX announced successful late-stage trial results for Obefazimod, a huge milestone that sent ripples through the pharmaceutical industry. The U.S. market for IBD treatments could top $25 billion by 2030, as more patients seek effective therapies and new options become available. Even capturing a small share of that enormous market would be a game-changer for ABVX, potentially transforming the company's future. Big pharma companies are always on the lookout for promising new drugs, especially in areas where patients have limited options and high unmet needs. Obefazimod's unique approach, combined with its strong clinical data, makes it a hot commodity in the race for next-generation treatments. The successful trial was a clear signal to the industry. ABVX has something truly valuable on its hands, and the world is taking notice. That's why the company quickly became an attractive takeover target, drawing interest from major pharmaceutical players. With the right big pharma partner, Obefazimod could be launched on a truly global scale, reaching patients everywhere, something ABVX simply can't achieve alone. The takeover rumors started with a December 2025 report in French media, claiming Eli Lilly was in talks with the French government about acquiring ABVX. Because ABVX is French, Any foreign takeover would need government review, making the rumor seem plausible. Eli Lilly's interest would be a huge vote of confidence in Obefazimod. The report suggested formal discussions, fueling speculation that a deal was imminent. In France, the government can review or block foreign takeovers of strategic companies, including healthcare innovators. But these were just reports from one publication. Eli Lilly declined to comment, as is standard in these situations. The French government also dismissed the rumors. Investors were left guessing if there was any truth behind the headlines. With rumors swirling and the stock surging, ABVX CEO Marc de Garidel spoke out. He called the speculation noise and a distraction from the company's real work. De Garidel explained that under French law, any talks with the government before a public deal announcement would be illegal. Since no deal was announced, the rumored talks couldn't have happened as reported. His clear, rules-based explanation dismantled the foundation of the rumor. He emphasized that ABVX was focused on advancing Obefazimod, not on takeover gossip. The message: the company's priority is science, not speculation. The combination of successful drug trials and takeover rumors sent ABVX's stock soaring, up 2,000% from July to December 2025. The stock peaked at $145 after the Eli Lilly rumors, a massive leap from earlier in the year. The initial surge came from positive Obefazimod trial results, which de-risked the company for investors. The takeover rumors then pushed the stock even higher, as buyouts usually come at a premium. But after the CEO's denial, the price settled back to around $101. This isn't a sign of trouble, just the market adjusting after the hype. ABVX's value remains far above pre-trial levels, showing strong optimism for Obefazimod's future. Investors are still betting on the drug's success, with or without a takeover. The wild ride highlights just how much is at stake. Wall Street analysts are bullish on ABVX. After the successful trial, firms like Morgan Stanley and Piper Sandler raised their price targets, some as high as $145 per share. Their optimism is driven by two things: Obefazimod's blockbuster potential and ABVX's appeal as an acquisition target. Even with the Eli Lilly rumor denied, analysts believe other big pharma companies are watching closely. The next big milestone, more Phase 3 data on Obefazimod's long-term effects, expected in June 2026. Positive results would further validate the drug and boost ABVX's value. Success could make ABVX an even more tempting takeover target. For now, experts see a bright future, whether ABVX goes it alone or gets acquired. The company's fate hinges on the upcoming data. ABVX's CEO, Marc de Garidel, is no stranger to billion-dollar biotech deals. He led Corvidia Therapeutics to a $2.1 billion sale to Novo Nordisk and Syncore Pharma to a $1.8 billion deal with AstraZeneca. His track record shows he knows how to build value and secure major exits for investors. That's why many believe a sale of ABVX is possible, despite his recent denials. De Garidel's experience means he can navigate a complex sale if the right offer comes. For now, his focus is on developing Obefazimod. But his history suggests he's ready to maximize shareholder value if a strategic buyer steps up. Investors are watching closely, knowing his leadership could shape ABVX's future. The company is in experienced hands. With the Eli Lilly rumors now quieted, the big question is, what's next for ABVX? The company stands at a pivotal crossroads, with its future direction hinging on several key decisions and developments. At the heart of ABVX's future is Obefazimod, their flagship drug candidate. Its continued success in clinical trials is absolutely crucial for the company's prospects and long-term growth. The immediate focus is clear. ABVX is preparing to release key Phase 3 maintenance data in June 2026, a milestone that could define the company's trajectory for years to come. If the results are positive, ABVX could move quickly to seek regulatory approval and potentially launch Obefazimod on its own, taking on the challenge of commercialization. This independent path is both challenging and expensive, requiring significant resources, but it would allow ABVX to retain all future profits and maintain full control over its product. Alternatively, if the Phase 3 data is strong, it could attract serious takeover bids or partnership offers from major pharmaceutical companies looking to expand their portfolios. A sale or strategic partnership would give ABVX the resources and global reach to launch Obefazimod faster and on a much larger scale, potentially benefiting patients worldwide. Financially, ABVX has enough cash to operate into late 2027, but if it chooses to go it alone, additional funding will be essential to support a full-scale launch and ongoing research. The next 6 months are absolutely critical. Scientific milestones, funding decisions, and strategic planning will all play a major role in shaping ABVX's destiny and future success. As anticipation builds, all eyes are on the upcoming data and the decisions that will determine what lies ahead for ABVX and its groundbreaking therapies.